Okay, this short video is to show you how to operate the lock as a guest at the Beach House Resort. This is a common gate that will take people from the parking area through the breezeway and out to most of the entrances. So to operate this gate, the code for this is 941X. So you simply hit 941X and that will unlock the gate. But let's say somebody made a mistake and they came a couple minutes before you did. If I go now and hit 941X, oh, the code's not working. Nope, that's not true. Somebody's made a mistake. So if you ever have difficulty opening this, you have to hit the C button. C button will clear the last person's failed entry. And now when I hit 941X, it works just fine. Same thing on the reverse side of this gate. The code is the same on both sides. And if you ever have a problem, remember, hit the C button to clear out anything that was done before you got up to the gate. All right, hope that helps.